Mi jefe me necesita. My boss needs me. My boss needs me. Mi jefe, my boss, me necesita. Needs me. My boss needs me. Mi jefe me necesita. Déjalo secar afuera. Let it dry outside. Let it dry outside. Déjalo. Let it secar. Dry. Afuera. Outside. Let it dry outside. Déjalo secar afuera. Bebe más agua. Drink more water. Drink more water. Bebe. Drink. Más. More. Agua. Water. Bebe más agua. Drink more water. Estoy bien. I am okay. I am okay. Estoy. I am bien. Okay. I am okay. Estoy bien. Gírelo lentamente. Rotate it slowly. Rotate it slowly. Gírelo. Rotate it lentamente. Slowly. Rotate it slowly. Gírelo lentamente. Lavaré los platos. I will wash the dishes. I will wash the dishes. Lavaré. I will wash los platos. The dishes. Lavaré los platos. I will wash the dishes. ¿Cuándo puedo visitarte? When can I visit you? When can I visit you? ¿Cuándo? When puedo? Can I visitarte? Visit you? When can I visit you? ¿Cuándo puedo visitarte? When can I visit you? Fuimos atacados. We were attacked. We were attacked. Fuimos. We were atacados. Attacked. We were attacked. Fuimos atacados. Estaremos con ella pronto. We will be with her soon. We will be with her soon. Estaremos. We will be. Con. With. Ella. Her. Pronto. Soon. We will be with her soon. Estaremos con ella pronto. We will be with her soon. Estoy sudando. I am sweating. I am sweating. Estoy. I am sudando. Sweating. I am sweating. Estoy sudando. El calentador dejó de funcionar. The heater stopped working. The heater stopped working. El calentador. The heater dejó. Stopped. De funcionar. Working. The heater stopped working. Nuestra casa tiene uno. Our house has one. Our house has one. Nuestra. Our. Casa. House. Tiene. Has. Uno. One. Our house has one. Nuestra casa tiene uno. Our house has one. Hice algunas compras. I made some purchases. I made some purchases. Hice. I made. Algunas. Some. Compras. Purchases. I made some purchases. Hice algunas compras. I made some purchases. Necesito una docena de huevos. I need a dozen eggs. I need a dozen eggs. Necesito. I need. Una docena de. A dozen. Huevos. Eggs. I need a dozen eggs. Necesito una docena de huevos. Te llamaré cuando llegue. I will call when I arrive. I will call when I arrive. Te llamaré. I will call. Cuando. When. Llegue. I arrive. I will call when I arrive. Tengo fiebre alta. I have a high fever. I have a high fever. Tengo, I have, fiebre alta. A high fever. I have a high fever. Tengo fiebre alta. ¿Puedes quitar esta mancha? Can you remove this stain? Can you remove this stain? ¿Puedes? Can you quitar? Remove esta, this, mancha, stain. Can you remove the stain? ¿Puedes quitar esta mancha? Ven al mediodía. Come at noon. Come at noon. Ven, come, al, at, mediodía, noon. Come at noon. Ven al mediodía. Ellos bloquearon mi camino. They blocked my way. They blocked my way. Ellos, they, bloquearon, blocked, mi camino, my way. They blocked my way. Ellos bloquearon mi camino. Come algo primero. Eat something first. Eat something first. Come, eat, algo, something, primero, first. Eat something first. Come algo primero. Venderé estas cosas. I will sell these things. I will sell these things. Venderé. I will sell estas, these, cosas, things. Venderé estas cosas. I will sell these things. Hazlo con ojos cerrados. Do it with eyes closed. Do it with eyes closed. Hazlo. Do it. Con. With. Ojos. Eyes. Cerrados. Closed. Do it with eyes closed. Hazlo con ojos cerrados. Te hice té. I made you tea. I made you tea. Te hice. I made you té. Tea. Te hice té. I made you tea.